In the heart of the African savannah, a meerkat named Mzbudwe lived among his kin. Known for his wisdom and insight, Mzbudwe was revered by all. One day, he called the entire clan to gather around him. "My little ones," he began, his voice echoing across the plains, "I have seen a vision that weighs heavy on my heart." The meerkats huddled closer, their eyes wide with curiosity. "I have seen a time when our home will be disturbed by strangers, seeking to exploit our land," Mzbudwe continued. "But fear not, for there is a way to preserve our home and our legacy." The meerkats were silent, their eyes filled with fear and concern. Mzbudwe looked around, his gaze reaching each and every one. "It is in the unity of our clan," he said, "and the wisdom of our elders that we shall find our salvation." The meerkats whispered among themselves, their words filled with doubt and worry. How could they stand against the strangers who sought to take their land? Mzbudwe sensed their fear and spoke once more. "Do not let fear cloud your minds, my little ones. We shall not fight fire with fire, but with wisdom and unity. Let us learn from the past and build a future that honors our ancestors." The meerkats looked at each other, understanding dawning in their eyes. They would not stand alone, but as one united clan, they would face the challenges that lay ahead. Mzbudwe's words echoed through the years, guiding the meerkats as they faced the strangers. They learned to coexist, to share their land and their wisdom, and in doing so, they preserved their home and their legacy. The tale of Mzbudwe and the meerkats serves as a reminder to all creatures, great and small. In the face of adversity, unity and wisdom are the keys to survival. For it is not the size of the struggle that matters, but the strength of the heart that stands against it.